Detangling versus combing. Which one is best for your natural hair? This is a question that keeps popping up because we do not comb, we only finger detangle. In some very extreme cases, we can also brush detangle, but this is only when we're washing you by the sink. I guess both work depending on what outcome you want for your hair. There are definitely benefits of brushing your hair, but there's also chances that there could be damage or loss of hair in that process, especially if you're not gentle. So rather than running with the risk, we did some research on how hair was done back in the day, not in the perm days, before that. And what we learned was what caused the combing movement was actually the need to look neat and presentable. When we did a further deep dive, we also learned that if you're finger detangling, especially on moisturized hair, there's less chance of breakage. So it doesn't really matter what you think works best for your hair. I mean, we all know that hair responds to different treatments. But what we've seen is when you don't comb the hair and when you finger detangle, the hair is healthier, it's thicker, fuller, and it's easier for us to plait. Look at how clean those lines are. If we tell you we did not comb the hair, you wouldn't believe us. But everybody's telling you that to get this look, the hair has to be brushed, it has to be combed, it has to be blow dried. We're saying no, not necessarily. And the other thing that we tend to do is we listen to too many people and we actually don't test theories, with our own hair, which is bad because what works for somebody with stronger hair might not necessarily work for somebody with your hair type. What works for people in humid areas may not work for you in the southern climate, Southern African climate. Those who stay closer to the coast experience their hair differently to those who are in the inland. Those in colder areas might also have a different experience. So try finger detangling, try moisturizing your hair more, and try not blow drying and see what it does for your hair. If it works, then that's awesome, that's great. But if it doesn't work, that's also okay. That does not mean that one way of doing things is better. All we're saying is you can try different things to get different results, and this is one of the things that we've tried that works for us and for our clients. Look how neat that is. Yo.